Day 142 stands out to me as one of the most significant days of the challenge of meeting strangers, because on that day I met a really soulful, spiritual, incredible man named True Guy Stefan. And he continues to be a really important friend for me here in my life in Calgary. And some of the expansive growth of our friendship has included him introducing me to some live music, him doing some recording with another fellow who I got to introduce him to on the project. Now True's hosted a couple of very successful festivals up here in Calgary that I've been able to be involved with. And we've been even in our writing process, he's finishing up a book right now as well, we've been able to really support each other on our journey of entrepreneurship and on our journey of spirituality and of sensitivity as men. So that's been a huge gift from the project as well, and it's something that keeps on giving to me as well. Also, day 305, of course, I met Renee, who is my partner, and she's amazing, and we have all kinds of incredible adventures together. So there's all kinds of stories that developed. There's more than I can just quickly answer, but lots of good things happen when you get out of your way and go meet strangers. So go do it. Please go do it.